So here you go, guys. When installing the ram air, I take both the upper and the lower part of the ram air off the bike, where I have both pieces separate. Then I put them together and put the cover over the entire thing. That way when you bolt the lower to the fairing, you have the upper bolted to it. When you put the fairing on, you put both the upper and lower part of the ram air back on the bike with the fairing. So here you go. At this point, I've bolted using the center bolt there. This hole does not come with the ram air cover. He has this bike has a toggle switch for his fan, and you can see the cover is on top of the stock pieces. Now I'll bolt it to the fairing. Okay, here it is installed on the bike. Put the fairing on, put the whole cover on, upper and lower part of the ram air with the fairing. We've installed the frame covers as well on this bike, and the foot peg brackets as well. Foot peg bracket covers. Here it is. We got both sides on. In the middle.